Gossip is called gossip because it's not always the truth. Sometimes the truth hurts and sometimes it feels real good. There are those who so dislike the nude that they find something indecent in the naked truth. The intuition of free will give us the truth. I will come to you with gifts of knowledge, wisdom, and truth. Live truth instead of professing it. For truth is precious and divine, to reach a pearl for carnal swine. There is no point in saying anything but the truth. Truth has no special time of its own, its hour is no always. I am bound to tell what I am told, but not in every case to believe it. The truth is that we all have to do more things than we can rightly do, if we are to do anything at all. Irony regards every simple truth as a challenge. This is my truth, tell me yours.